Hi everyone and welcome to Big Matt's Computers. In this video today guys, our completed build ready to ship to the customer today. This we had out in pieces on the desk earlier on in the previous video. Now all in its case, complete and ready to ship to the customer with our GT1030 i3-2100. Basically entry-level gaming PC for general tasks, web surfing, watching videos, do all that fine. Very comfortably gaming, sure, a little bit of light gaming, Apex Legends, Fortnite, CSGO, Overwatch, those sort of games that'll be able to handle quite comfortably. So all in the case, ready to ship to the customer guys, is our latest build here at Big Matt's Computers. Ready to be sent off. So yeah guys, I'm going to put the side panel back on, ship this off, and that'll be another computer done at Big Matt's Computers for hopefully another satisfied customer. Alright guys, make sure you stay tuned for our next video, and let's not forget the sleeper build with the i7 6800K coming up as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at Big Matt's Computers. Bye!